Shalom family, it's your brother Bishop with another video. So you're watching me right now and I have good news for you. So today I just thought of doing a recap of every trade I took throughout the week and showing you the profits I made, the losses I made. Let's right into the video. I have a lot for you. Please stay to the end of the video and you will learn something from it. Thank you. If you didn't learn anything, please just comment that I did not like your video because of this so that I can improve my videos and give you the best. That's what's up. Peace out. This is how the Asian range works, right? The Asian range forms a high and forms a low. Yes. Assuming this is 5 o'clock, right? We come now to the chart after the range has been formed, and this is the London session. We look the first side of liquidity sweep. We look for a candlestick confirmation. I look for a candlestick confirmation, and then I enter my trade, and my take profit is just slightly below this. So that is how I do. This is how I enter trades. My take profit is slightly below this. And that is how you see me take trades from here. So don't be surprised. So this is Monday. Monday started and I saw a liquidity sweep because the Asian range open here. I saw a liquidity sweep and let us zoom inside. Let's see what's happening. If you notice, liquidity was swept, and on the 5 minute time frame, there was this legit break of structure, but that wasn't sufficient enough. So, mind you, this is Monday. This is the open of the market. Price has traded above and it's now trading down. And I did not wait to see something like this. I saw liquidity sweep and I entered the trade when the market had swept the break structure and came down. So if you notice this candle with a wick, right? Let me open this candle with a wick. This first candle before this one. This candle with a wick break the structure and came down. I entered and I was buying. Later on, I saw this reversal. And I asked myself, why did the market reverse? One thing I failed to understand was that there was a trend line here. So there was a trend line liquidity that the market needed to sweep. Moreover, there is another block resting here. So if you notice, immediately as the liquidity of this trend line was swept all to the lows, the market started reversing. And I saw a break of structure, sweeping liquidity here too. And I saw tweezer. This is where I should have entered, but because I was off my chart, I had a bad trade. I said I'm not trading for the day. I've lost 5% already. I've lost 10. I'm sorry. I was risking 2% on my first trade, so I lost 2% here, and my next trade was supposed to be 1%. So for that day, I was off. For Monday, I was off. Tuesday, I woke up and I noticed the market coming down. So actually, this was an order block here. I anticipated that the market would come to this order block. The market came, swept liquidity, in fact, tapped into the order block, gave a really nice candlestick confirmation. But I woke up at this time and I went to carry water, so I could not enter the trade. But I'm sure if I'd entered this trade, this was where I was targeting. This is my overall target. And I'm sure I would have passed the challenge because I would have been at 50. And I have good news for you, family. I have a personal account that is $100 personal account, and I would have entered this trade with risking $7 to make $50. But God being so kind, it is what it is. So after missing this move, I wasn't panicking anymore. I just waited because this is a legit break, right? This is a legit break. I came, I placed I took a line, draw another order block. But now the market did not come down to the other block. Immediately I saw this move. What I did was I took a trade from here. I took a trade from here. I took a trade anticipating right the break of this. But later on, like 1 hour after, I came and saw the market coming right down here. So when I saw it down, I said I've missed the move because this thing looks like it wants to reverse. I was thinking the market wants to reverse, fill swing and come down, but it was not so. When you miss your actual move, I trade London, I don't trade New York. When you miss your actual move, you start panicking. I never trade continuation patterns. I take just one trade per day because I don't want to be losing money, making money in one session and losing money in the other session. So I lost it. I made profit from partial profits. Then this was the actual move. As I exited the trade, I still drew another block. So when I looked at DXY, I saw a confirmation and I took a trade from here. And I bought it to hit my TP. So the next day, I expected a buy. Today was Wednesday. I expected a buy and let there be a sweep of liquidity on this on this high, so that we can now change direction for the week. But unfortunately, the market was only selling down, later on consolidated. And I was so happy when the market breaks structure. If you notice, after this period of consolidation, the market broke out of the box, and I expected the market to retest this zone, this line, or this resistance zone. So the market came, retested it, and started buying. But my stop loss was slightly below the zone. And if you notice, I was liquidated. Price came and hit me, stopped me out. I was supposed to put my stop loss here and TP above. So I've learned the lesson and I'll respect zones. Reason being that you need to put your stop loss below a low and your take profit above a high, because market seeks liquidity. That is why I was stopped out. I missed this trade, and today was Thursday. The next day was Thursday. I saw another block and I anticipated a move. In fact, I cannot go to the other block, but I took a move from here, somewhere here. At I took a move. So because it was a reversal day and this is trendline liquidity building up for the week, and also the open of the market was here, I expected the market to just come down and sell because we are in a downtrend. But unfortunately for me, the market sold and just ended somewhere here, reversed onto the next day. I opened my market and I noticed that I am almost hitting stop loss. I exited the trade. In fact, the week was very bad. That's what I would say. Friday, I could not trade. I tried trading and I was stopped out. I will not continue this video further, but I just want to say one thing. This week, I was not disciplined. This week, I did not follow my trading plan. This week, setups showed up, and if I had taken just my setups, I would have been profitable for the week. But because I wanted to take many trades and pass the challenge, I lost it. So I'm down by almost 2%, and it is what it is. I'm preparing for next week. Next week is about discipline and about risk management. Nothing more. That is what I'm going to deliver. So without wasting much of your time, thank you for watching up to this place. God bless you all and peace out.